Are you wondering if allergies can make kids cough? Let's find out. Yes, allergies can indeed cause coughing in children. When kids are exposed to allergens like pollen, dust mites, or pet dander, their immune system reacts and releases chemicals. These chemicals can irritate the airways and cause coughing. It's important to note that coughing due to allergies is usually accompanied by other symptoms like sneezing, itchy or watery eyes, or a runny nose. If you suspect your child has allergies, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, allergies can be managed to help your child feel better.